So we have here is our little exhaust um, headers. So first thing I want to do is because we have the spark plug underneath of these things, so we need to work on this first. And we're gonna be doing, I don't know if you guys can see the mold lines. I really don't like them, but I'm not gonna replace that because I'm gonna use a kit engine on this project. So basically, we're gonna be trying to remove all that little thing that makes this kind of out of scale. I mean, it's not supposed to have those things because it's a tube. So it's supposed to be round all the time. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. The first one is this one. So I just trying to do it. And as you can see on the other ones, you can see the mold line here. And I'm trying to remove it on here. Let's try to do that. And with the next couple stuff. So what we have done is here is basically work on the top, because the bottom you're never gonna see it. So just you don't need to sand all the stuff to make it look good, because remember on when you open the hood, this is the part you're gonna be seeing, not even the rest. It's just from there. And with all the stuff that there's gonna be going on this engine, you're not gonna be paying attention to this. Of course, if you don't do a good job, that's gonna be major call out. If you know what I mean. People's gonna see it anyways, but let's try to remove as much as we can, and without damaging, of course, our little stars. There's some space. We have it here. Cannot reach over there. So this exhaust is gonna be like a gunmetal gray, something really dark, to make it make it look like a competition engine, like it's supposed to be. This is a competition engine, which is very cool. It's a big block, and that's the beauty of it. This one on the 440 is one of the biggest one back then. I believe so. I'm not sure, but I guess, because obviously of the cubic inches. But it's a real good, real big engine. So we're trying to work with the distributor. The kit distributor is too small, and I really don't like it. And if you see for these pictures, this engine has like a decent size distributor, and so we're trying to do the same thing with this one. So I grabbed one of my distributor from my power box, a Morgan Automotive Detail. You can find a lot of stuff from him, but for me the best part is the distributors. And in this case we're using a V8 distributor. This one, I'm not sure, it just comes with a coil. I don't remember, but if not, I can add it. So in this case, I got the distributor I forgot the name. I mean shaft, I think it is. I forgot the name. So I make a hole on this one, so it can fit there, like at the normal distributor, and just add this one to it, and we have our distributor there. So far, this is what we have. So this will be painted. This comes already painted. It's a real good detail distributor, and he got a variety of colors of this part of the wires, the boost, and all that stuff, and you can find it there. But this is so far what I have right now. Our new distributor, right? And we have from a staple, just cut a little piece, adding some glue to it. I already make the hole on the distributor. It doesn't want to go in now. What happened? There you are. So now you see this. It's gonna be hard enough in a few minutes. But now, every time that we put it in I already did the hole too on this one, and we have a stronger bond on our distributor. So by the time I had it in here, you see, it's gonna be good. So now we need to prime this. I'm not sure if we're gonna do it like this, because this one came in a dual distributor kit, and I just take out one of the distributors to make it, to have two distributors instead of one when I bought it. Okay. But the thing, I have to modify this piece because this is not like a normal distributor, so I need to sand this down and make it more realistic before I go to primer. Let's count it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, so we have our coil over here, our coil cable. So we're good on that part. Okay. Besides that, I noticed that this is the alternator from this kit, which I don't like at all. It fits and everything, but it doesn't go well. Do you know what I mean? Okay, that's in place. So what we're gonna be doing, I'm going to dechrome this alternator. I'm gonna be dechroming that, and do a little piece over here, so I can make a bracket. So I can make it work. If you know what I mean. And besides that, we need to sand this piece because this is the oil filter, which goes here. So we need to sand this down so we can make it work. And our starter, we need to clean it up, take all this flash out of it, and take these mold lines. You're barely gonna see it once the engine's inside the engine bay, but for me, if you don't have it like a detail, my engine is not completed, so I prefer to do it like that. Okay. Besides that, I already put my carburetors to the chrome. I believe they're already done, but I haven't checked today, so let's see about that. And as you can see, I showed you guys the previous things that I smoothed out all these parts, so you can see you can see it better. As you can see, And we have here our exhaust. They are flat black right now because we need it to be or gray or black. So now they're the color that we need it. And as you can see, a little tip, I think I did this before, but to make a 360 paint job on your little parts, this is a big part. For example, if you got a small part, for example like this, really small, the only thing you need to do is glue a little piece of wire or maybe a cable, whatever is strong enough to hold the piece in it with a super glue on it, and you can glue it on a space that you are sure you're not gonna be able to see in the car. For example, this part, as soon as I got the engine on it, it's gonna be underneath of the car, so you're never gonna see it. So that's my tip on the exhaust. They're almost dry, so I can do whatever I want with them now. Which is already painted. I have my tranny painted. I did a little bit detail painting on it. Our stick for the distributor, shaft or whatever. So yeah, it's detail painted. This is the base of our distributor, which needs a decal. Now you can see it. Alright, so I'm gonna put it right here in our warm water. What is that? I can show you real quick. I have our starter detail painted. It's detail painted. Really smooth, really nice. Looks really good. Okay, so we have it here. And now we apply our microsol, which is a decal softener. So we have our distributor here. Drop of super glue. It's gonna be more than enough because we have a little hole over there already. You see? Already looking good. And once we put it in place, we have our distributor detailed up, which is really good.